Okay, for the first time ever, I've officially arrived to the continent of Africa, here in the city of Marrakech in Morocco, in North Africa. So far, it's been extremely hectic, and I hear the city has quite a reputation for scam culture, so let's get right into it. I'm currently heading to two of the most historic palaces here in Marrakech, Badi Palace and Bahia Palace. At the moment, it's only 90 degrees Fahrenheit, but it's supposed to get up to 108 degrees Fahrenheit today, so it's going to be a scorcher. So the first stop will be the Bahia Palace. First construction started in 1866. As you can see, the two national languages of Morocco are French and Arabic. Okay, just stopping to get a quick breakfast here, just to give you an idea of the prices. I've got an omelet, an iced coffee, and some bread, which cost me about 45 dirhams, which is about $4.50 US. Combien?
Vous avez de l'eau grande, c'est ça? Et
Café glacé,
café glacé.
omelette au fromage aussi.
Ça fait 60.
Voilà. So here I am in one of the local souks here, which is basically a giant market. Find all the local spices and people trying to get you to buy them. No, thank you. You know what is this?
Where are you from?
Canada.
Very spicy stuff. What is this? Sorry.
Spices? Thank you.
Le sourire, mon frère. Smile is only die. Smile is good. More.
I don't know. I don't know what's going on.
Hello, brother.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you? So I've just started telling people that I'm from Slovakia, because most people here are not going to speak Slovak. And people in Slovakia don't speak French or English, so there we go. Great travel hack. So now I'm heading into an even older palace here in Marrakech, Palais Badi, or the Badi Palace, which dates back to 1578. Wow. It is hot. It's hard to explain the feeling you get when you walk around a place like this with so much history. It's been my dream to come to Africa for so long now. It's officially my 6th continent, so the only one that remains is Antarctica. I will be going to Antarctica at some point to get all 7. But yeah, just taking it in. Incredible. So I'm just spending the 2 nights here in Marrakech, and then tomorrow I'm going to be heading out east into the Sahara Desert. Going to be visiting some different ethnicity groups. Going to be riding some camels. It's going to be an adventure of a lifetime, something I've always wanted to do in Morocco. And then after that, once I return to civilization in Marrakech, I'm going to be heading to the coastal city of Essaouira, which is more of a surf town, a lot chiller and a lot chillier, so it's not as hot, which I'm looking forward to. So I'm here for 9 days in total, and then I'll be heading to Berlin for my birthday to see my buddy Craig and his lovely fiancée Josie. Seems like a city where you just walk, ignore the traffic, and they will stop for you, I think. Just gonna keep walking. Kind of reminds me of Vietnam. Okay, I'm currently on the hunt for a monument called the Kutubia Minaret. It's definitely one of the most well-known monuments here in Marrakech, if not all of Morocco. And it's definitely one of my main draws for coming to Morocco in the first place, since there's a replica of this minaret in Epcot in Florida. So shout out to my dad, shout out to Jared and Rachel as well. Let's see if we can find it without Google Maps. These kids are starting to follow me, so let's keep an eye on them. Whoa.
Take a photo.
No, 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 no.
Please.
No, no, no. Okay. So let's check out this minaret. They do the call to prayer 5 times a day. I don't know the exact times, but this will be the 3rd country I've been to where they do the call to prayer. So I've been to Malaysia and Turkey. Wow. Bonjour. Ça va? Non, merci. Non, merci. Je suis content, merci. Merci. Okay, now I'm heading into perhaps the busiest part of the city. It's called Jema El Fna. It is the main square here in Marrakech. It's where all the local vendors, street food, performers, people that try to put monkeys on you can all be found. Holy smokes. We're getting reeled in for some juice. I think he was first. He was first. He was first. Quel type?
This is mixed.
Combien coûte-t-il?
It's mixed one, everything to strawberry, mango, pineapple, apple, with orange.
Ah, mais combien?
20 000 euros.
20 000. Combien coûte-t-il?
Ça y est.
C'est quoi le prix? 20? Voilà. Merci bien, merci bien. Okay, so as you previously saw, I was at the main square here in Marrakech earlier today. It was super hot, and everyone has advised me that I need to come back in the evening to get the full experience. So here we are. It should be interesting. Let's see if we can find something to eat. All right, just want some lamb.
You have lamb skewers,
Okay.
you have chicken, you have fish, you have lamb chops, you have tangia, you have lamb kafta. Lamb kafta.
And what's the price? Okay. What an atmosphere. What's it called?
The name is Marrakech, Central Marrakech.
Okay.
And passport de désert before scarf like this. Why scarf passport obligation visa passport?
Good, how are you? What's that? Here's our hotel for the night. It's kind of fancy. Have my own private room included in the price. Here's a look at the room. 2 beds. Come on. Nice balcony. And yeah, we are in the middle of nowhere. Drove basically all day. Have another 5 hours to drive tomorrow and we'll finally reach the Sahara Desert.
Possible. Good, how are you? I think
Yeah, over there on the bathroom inside, and if you want to borrow some.
We out here right now. Bellissimo.
Bellissimi.
Oh shit!
Yeah, hold on to that.
He's up there.
Let's move with the camel movement. Relax, Max, without fuck.
What a sh...
It's a bad boy, yeah?
Yeah, big.
It's what?
Misha is big.
It really is. Merci beaucoup. So here's a look at the camp we'll be staying at tonight, out here in the Sahara. So look at my tent. Beautiful. And I have it all to myself. And that, in my room, is a dead scorpion, hopefully. So I poured some water on the scorpion. It is indeed alive. So I have some sort of Saharan scorpion in my room. No? Is the dead scorpion. Okay, here's my new room. Got an upgrade. He did end up finding the scorpion and it is dead. So hopefully no scorpions in here. We'll see you in the morning.
Real Sahara.
Right. Nice, baby!
Go to Vienna or Praga in the Christmas.
We got this one. This way?
Yes. Okay, after a 3-hour bus ride, I've arrived here to the city of Essaouira, here on the Atlantic coast of Morocco. I'm only here for a couple nights, so this evening, me and my buddy Abdurrahim, who I met on the bus to Essaouira, are going to give you a free walking tour of this incredibly beautiful city. So enjoy the sights and sounds.
Do you want to try this?
Yeah, let's try it.
سلام هذه مصوبة بالفرماج.
We'll see the ocean from up here.
Yeah.